Hey, what's going on, guys? Blacksea here with the Crypto Report. Today I wanted to bring you a video about cryptocom, Bitcoin, and I wanted to talk about the charts. Considering we've broken out on the Bitcoin chart, we'll get back to this, but I want to show you how we're going to continue this pump. I think it might take a little bit of time. I think it might take about a week or so until we get to the new monthly candle, which I'm very, very looking forward to seeing what happens. It's a huge, huge pivotal point for the entire crypto space as a whole. And it's kind of in combination with all these macroeconomics coming and converging together with the Federal Reserve if they're going to pivot with their rate hikes or not. It's kind of up in the air, but it's all conjoining at the same time, which I believe is just we're getting set up for a very, very potential explosive rally or just an explosive move in general. So we broke out, but we're still trading a little bit sideways here. The volatility hasn't increased all that much, and you see this little line I drew. This is a hypothetical of where I think the pump could be. It might take a little bit longer. It might be something more along the lines of like this. But I can see a cup form happening if we truly break out of Bitcoin. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So in this weekly mini wedge I have driven here, that I have written here, is quite interesting. So we broke out, as I said last week, we were just about to break out, and we did. And it's nothing massive, but we have broken out to the upside, and that's the first step and first sign of good news for us in a long time. So we've broken up. And I really do see that this will continue leading up to the end of October. And what's really, really interesting that I want to take a look at is what happens if we continue to pump for the rest of this month. What does that mean? Now, I want to take a look at the monthly chart for Bitcoin. So, that's not the monthly chart. Here's the monthly chart. If we pump to the upside and we turn green on this monthly candle, that will be an indication based on the previous bear market. We traded down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 months. We traded to the side and down in the last bear market. Now 14 red candles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are awfully close here, guys. We are awfully close here. And some people even speculate that the bear market started back in April, and if that was the case, oh, then we are well overdue for a pump. But I'm going to be conservative here and say that it started in November when we started the down and to the side slide of the bear market. But I know you probably see this little line here. I want to just speculate and say, what happens if we get a green candle here and we start to recover? Because, the past does not, we do not, present events does not replicate to a T previous events, but they rhyme. History rhymes. I don't believe if October turns green, that will be 1 month and that's it of green and we're going to come back down. I believe that we'll at least have 1 to 3 months of upside, if not a larger rally. I really do believe that there's a lot of hype that will start to begin and lead up to the halvening. So let's say that we get a green candle. Let me draw a little line here. We get a little green candle here, right? Let me zoom in for you guys. Oh. So we get a little green candle here. Okay. Now let's say we get another green candle right here. What happens when we break out? What happens when we break out of this huge... Let me clean this up. What happens when we break out of this huge monthly triangle and we break out of this bear market? Well, I'll show you what happens. This right here is a measured move. If we break out of this triangle right here, do you guys see where this is right here? 78K Bitcoin. If we break out of this and we have a measured move of 48,000, what does that mean for crypto.com? What does that mean when we break new all-time highs for Bitcoin? What does that mean for the crypto space? What does that mean for CRO? Well, I really do believe that if we get to new all-time highs sooner than a lot of people think, I think a lot of people are buying into this doom and gloom and think that this bear market has another year. But I mean, when I look at the monthly chart, 2 years, 3 years of down and to the side, that's not a thing. That is not what we see with Bitcoin. That is not how long the 4-year cycles are. That is not what we see. Now, could we have something new? Of course we could have something new where that happens. I mean, there's a lot of doom and gloom going on. But like I always preach, that the hive consciousness, everyone thinks that we're going to be down forever. Bitcoin's dead. Bitcoin's dead. I'll tell you what, back in 2018, when I was here, everybody was talking about how Bitcoin was dead, and I was buying. I was buying because I like to do what I think is the opposite of what everyone is doing. Because I think that that's how the biggest opportunity is made. So, what does that mean for crypto.com? We hit all-time highs of Bitcoin. Bitcoin hits 78K. We break all-time highs. Now, this right here is, this little pump right here is nothing. That is absolutely nothing. We will not only break all-time highs at 78K for crypto.com, we will easily be at the $1.20, $1.50 range if it's a measured move. And Bitcoin pumps over 100%. There's not stopping at 78K next bull market. There's not going to be a stop for Bitcoin. And when we get in price discovery for Bitcoin, we're going to get in price discovery for crypto.com and CROcoin. And I really do see a $2 to $2.50 CROcoin being extremely possible, extremely tangible. I know that we talk about on the crypto report, CryptoKip makes predictions about $5 CROcoin and $10 CROcoin. I know that sounds ridiculous, but there is a possibility that that could happen when you're comparing them to Binance and these other large exchanges, and you're comparing the users and the type of adoption we're having right now. It's just something to think about. That's all I ask. And if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. If you would like a free trade on Femex with up to $4,100 towards a free trade, just click the link below right here. Right here. You just have to click that, sign up, and enter a trade, and you have lots of free bonus money you can make. And I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and stick around and see our video later tonight. Thanks. Bye.